Hello YouTubers, what's going on? My name is Nicola Regano and you are watching my barber dreams. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a low gentleman's fade with wavy hair on top. He likes a dry look, I kind of slick it back for him. I like how it turns out. And over the voiceover you will be hearing the new rap that I just finished. I love it, I can't wait for you guys to see and hear what I have to bring to you. I got a really good feedback from the first video, and I'm going to continue to put my raps in the videos, but let me know, if you want me to explain more, put more of my captions, maybe even explain more with my raps. I think that'd be a cool twist on it too. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. And also follow my Instagram at Barber Dreams by Riggs. Thank you again for watching and enjoy the video.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah. It's Primo. We gotta keep it fresh in here. Yeah, and it's 2018. So we gotta do a lot of big things. Yeah. Stack it up, bag it up, I run this shit so I lap it up. They gassing up, they asking us, let me spit some of that rapping stuff. Might build a wall, I got 3 bricks. Casanova got 3 chicks, I got 3 zips. They roll it up and take 3 hits. You can't follow up, no remix. Look at me and my G shit, I'm at the top, that's where I lead it. But first you gotta perceive it, you see then I'm gonna retrieve it. No stress, I seem to relieve it. Take a look how I get my trees lit. Ain't slowing down not the least bit, I'm never gonna stop till I reached it. Even then I take a little farther, I got the driver, stay working harder. Bitches love your fade cause I'm your barber, I line them up, they signing up. My service get you shining much. I'm the youngin' you can't touch. I get up on the mic and they make a fuss. Take a time bomb, I'm about to bust. Yeah. You ain't heard of me, let me tell you something. Might fuck around and try to sell you something. I'm a salesman even when I'm bluffing. Haters get mad, yeah, I got them cussing. They too slow like Robitussin. Not me, I gotta pick it up. I can't fall, no slip it up. I get on a track and fucking rip it up. If I were you, I would listen up. Cause what this past class. I'm finally done with my last task. I'm thinking long term with no fast cash. You gotta work hard with no cat naps. Look at my scars with the backlash. I'm a badass. I'ma tell it what it is. None of my level can fuck with the kid. I'm prodigy, but I'm first on the list. No, I don't fight, but where are my fists? I'm jabbing up, punching up, fucking up shit. I'm independent, I ain't gotta click. I always knew, yeah, I saw this shit. The sacrifice, yeah, it cost a bit. I keep my circle tighter than a wedding band. When I show my flow, you ain't ready, man. Someone tell me who the fuck is Lil Xan. Why they got all these little petty fans? They can't fly, so they rather land. I don't walk and stay hustling. I hold on to dreams, no fumbling. I didn't walk in the game and I stumbled in. Yeah, I stumbled in. And I looked around, I was like, damn, I like that shit. Yeah. Alright, check this out. Look. They like, what's wrong with this dude? I think I seen him on YouTube. Back then he used to get 2 views, but he figured it out like Blue's Clues. He corrected all his miscues. He knew the risk and he took it too. But now I got them all watching close like shit. I mean, like, look at you. I'm 19 with an attitude, no gratitude to my fake friends. I'm getting high with a latitude. Don't ask a dude to make amends. What I see with that all depends. I see through an enormous lens. I got the vision, cut with precision. You can tell I really been on a mission. I really mean like I've been fishing. Haters pissed, they been bitching. I got the flow, so I know they listen. You can eat my nuts for the nutrition. My intuition, college drop out, but now I make more than your tuition. New edition, brand new. I do everything that you can't do, cause you can't move. It's like you stuck. If you're broke, you gotta reconstruct. I can tell you how to get these bucks. Never mediocre, my style is deluxe. Growing every day, yeah, that is a must. You should too, but you're acting like dust. You in the same place at the same time. Look at the way that I tame rhymes. You shook at the way that my chain shines. I'm aggressive like some of these K9s. I'll be damned if anybody take mine. I got a pretty insane mind, so you might wanna move back before I prove that. Try to catch a vibe like where's the groove at? Visualize dreams, now I gotta pursue that. Everybody listening and wonder who that. Yeah, this is all of me, my colony. Not born leader, but they follow me. Should study my words etymology, but they focus on my skin dermatology. Equality, I gotta strive by any means. I play my role like I change the scenes. I'm burning up like I got arson jeans. I stay 300 like a Spartan team. I'm Charlie without the Martin Sheen. No drugs, I got the charm and steez. I got the drive, but you park and leave. You think I'm the plug, cause I got harbor fiends. This right here's my barber dreams. Yeah, you can't fuck with me. You think it's glue, how you get stuck with me? I can't slow down, yo, look how I'm running. I'm gunning. This another layer to pull out my onion. If you don't give it all, then you'll be nothing. nothing. Real shit, I'm not bluffing. If you don't try, then you'll never see. Damn, look how this life carried me. I see the big picture, clarity. Yeah, it's clarity. And that's how we do it, man. Just know that you can do anything you want. You got it. Oh, you thought we were done? Nah, man. This is for my late night thinkers. You know what I mean? Look. Hey. I've been trying to find my way. I've been trying to make them plays. I just take it day by day. Smoking on the J's I stay, spacing out, I'm floating on a cloud. I don't think I'm ever coming down. Taking hits to kush, moving around. Smoking on the pounds, I'm lost like I can't be found. Yeah, I'm spacing, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. You know I'm spacing, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. You know I'm spacing, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. You know I'm spacing, I'm spacing. Yo, I'm doing everything to stay in the right path. I get knocked down, but I bounce right back. Yes, I keep it G, you ain't gotta ask. Like, move fast, so I gotta make it last. But I'm working on my craft, I gotta stay away from the people wearing masks. And I ain't talking about Batman, I'll talk about the ones that hold you back, man. Two-faced bitches in the crack, man. They wanna grab hands and really try to pull me in, but I gotta free myself of the envy and the sin. I gotta focus on your gram. How we can make the world a better place, and to roll up a paper and we meditate. Put your mind in a better state, that is truly the answer. Did I mention that it even treats cancer? Ask a question, Mary Jane got the answer. Smoking with your girls when a deep answer. Try to get a peek like you wanna get a glance or get a hit of this bomb ass weed. Now let me show you how a real stoner succeeds. He puts his mind to it, then he rolls up the trees. I got a couple leaves by the quarter every week. Keep my mind growing with a certain type of tweak, cause I've been trying to find my way. I've been trying to make them plays. I just take it day by day. Smoking on the J's I stay, spacing out, I'm floating on the cloud. I don't think I'm ever coming down. Take a hits to kush, moving around. Smoking on the pounds, I'm lost like I can't be found. Yeah, I'm spacing, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. You know I'm spacing, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. You know I'm spacing, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. Yeah, I'm spacing, I'm spacing. Yeah, you know I stay flowing, I know where I'm going. Can't worry about that, gotta soak up the moment. Pass me the wipes, cause I shit on my opponent. You want my vice, but I ain't tryna loan it. Instead I break it down, yeah, I gotta cone it. I got the lightest pack, so you know I gotta blow it. Yeah, you know I gotta blow it. Yeah, man. We're just having fun. That's all I got for you guys today. But we're far from over, man. You can do anything you put your mind to. 2018.
Be young.
Check it out. That is the final product. My man is crisp again. And thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate every bit of support that I get, and I hope that you take away to be different and don't be afraid to be authentic in your true self. So give me some feedback on the raps, on the cut, everything. You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow my Instagram at Barber Dreams by Riggs. I will see you for the next video. Stay awesome. I'm out.